Let us start with the chapter articles. So there are three articles: a, an, and the. We will understand more about these. First, let us understand what are vowels and consonants. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowels. And what are consonants? Consonants. They are other letters other than vowels. So, in the alphabets, other than A, E, I, O, U, all the letters are consonants. Now let us see that when do we use these articles in a sentence. So we use the article A when the word is starting with consonant or the sound is of consonants. Let us see some examples. Example is a bag. With the word bag, we use a because it is starting with B and B is a consonant. Second is a cat. The starting letter of the word is C. That is also a consonant. So we used a before it. A flower. Now this word's flower words start with F. So that is why we used a because F is a consonant. A nurse. Again, it is the word nurse is starting with N and it is a consonant. So we used a. So we use the article a when the word is starting with consonant letters. Now let us understand that when do we use an article in a sentence. So we use an when the word is starting with vowels or it has a sound of vowel. So an is used before aeroplane, an aeroplane, because aeroplane is starting with A and it is a vowel. So we used it before aeroplane. Next, an umbrella. Now it is starting with U and it has a sound of So it is also a vowel. That is why we used an before it. Next, an ink pot. So the word is starting with I and it is a vowel. So we used an. And oranges. So oranges word is starting with O. So we used an before it. So we use article an before the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now let us understand that when do we use the article the. We use the for the following. So let us see that when we use the article the. We use article the before names of groups. Like example, the deer is a fast animal. Here we are talking about the group of deers who run very fast. So the deer is a fast animal. So we used the before it. Second, names of geographical forms. So we use the before the geographical forms like Ganga, Yamuna, Himalayas. These are the geographical forms. So before it we use the. Like in this, the Ganga flows in India. So we used the before Ganga. Third, names of natural objects that are only one of a kind. So we use the before the natural objects that are only one in the whole world, like moon, sun, earth. These are only one. So before it we use the. So the example is the moon is a satellite of the earth. So we used the before moon and also the before earth. Fourth, names of man-made objects that are only one of a kind. Now we also use the before the man-made objects that are only one. Like example, the White House is in America. So White House is only one. So we used the before White House. Like we can say that the Taj Mahal is in India. Taj Mahal is also only one. So we use the before Taj Mahal. Fifth, names of holy books, newspapers, etc. So we use the before holy books, newspapers that are also only one. Example, the Ramayana is a holy book. So Ramayana is a holy book. So we used the before Ramayana. Ria reads the Times of India. Times of India is a newspaper. So we used the before Times of India. So we use the article the when we talk about a particular thing that exists only one. So before that word we use the.